Hey guys, so for this first recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite green smoothie. Here we go. To your blender, you're gonna add in 1 handful of fresh baby spinach, along with a couple of ripe bananas. Next up, we're going to add some frozen mango. And as for the liquids, you're going to need some pineapple juice and water. And that's it. Super simple, and I just freaking love this recipe. I've tried so many different green smoothie recipes, and this version is my favorite. Like pretty much any smoothie, this is super easy to whip up in the morning and just to take with you to go. Next up, we're gonna make some low-fat peanut butter banana bread. You can just prepare it the night before, put it in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning you'll have absolutely no work to do. You can just cut up some slices and take them with you. First step, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next up, you're going to need ripe bananas. They have to be nice and brown, and yeah. Put the bananas into a large bowl and start mashing them. You can of course use a fork, but it is a lot easier to use a potato masher. That's what I did. Just a quick tip. To the mashed bananas, you're gonna add some vanilla, some almond milk, and some apple cider vinegar. Next up, add in 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. You can go and use the all-natural peanut butter. That's probably a lot better than what I did. I used the, regular unhealthy stuff. Any type of peanut butter would work. For the dry ingredients, mix together your spelt flour and your raw sugar, plus your baking soda. Add the dry to the wet ingredients and mix everything up until you have a nice and smooth batter. Line your baking pan with some parchment paper. Quick tip, wet your parchment paper before using it. That way it adjusts to whatever baking pan you're using. I also sprinkled some muesli on top, so some oats, some seeds, and some cranberries. However, the cranberries tend to burn a little bit, so I would just recommend to top it off with some seeds and oats, if you like. You don't have to. Like I said in the beginning, put it into the fridge overnight, and in the morning you can cut yourself some slices. And if you like, even spread some peanut butter on there, because you can never have enough peanut butter, in my opinion. And yeah. For this last recipe, we're gonna make a super simple chickpea and avocado sandwich. First step is to rinse your chickpeas. Then go ahead and take a food processor or a blender of some sort and add your chickpeas, along with the juice of 1 lime, fresh chives, some soy sauce, and some water. and then literally just blend it all together. That's it. You could also use garlic powder or other spices if you like, of course. And then just assemble your sandwich. Pretty self-explanatory. I added some tomato slices to it, along with some more baby spinach, a few slices of this gorgeous avocado, and there you go. You can just eat that on the way to work or school. You can pack it up if you like. I don't know what you want to do. I just know that it tastes really good. Now there you go, guys. These were just a few recipe ideas for a super simple and quick breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye! Thanks for watching.